Hello everyone and welcome back to the Flourish Food YouTube channel. Today we are beginning a new series on algorithms. What are algorithms? Algorithms are simply series of steps or instructions used for solving a problem. Now, there are many popular algorithms, but for today we want to learn about the search algorithm, more specifically the linear search. Now, what is the linear search algorithm? Say you have a set of data. We have a set of data or a set of numbers. So we go 1, 5, 3, 7, and 11. And then you want to look for an item in there. You can implement an algorithm that searches in a line. So what the linear search does is it goes in a line and starts looking for the item that you want. So it starts from the beginning of the line here. Is 3 here? No, 3 is not there. So it moves to the next one. It's 3 here? No, it's not here. So it moves to the next item in the list. So it's 3 here? Yes, 3 is right there. So we found a match. And then you can do whatever with that. You can return the position or you can print that you found a match. So if 3 is not here, it keeps going on in a line until it gets to the item it's looking for. So that is how this linear search is simply implemented. Now let's write it out in code. So today what we want to do is to generate a list of random numbers and then search for a number in that list. So we start by importing random because we want random numbers. Then I create an empty list, call it numbers. My empty list is right there, and then I would like to populate that list with random numbers, 50 random numbers. So I create a for loop for I in range 50. I need 50 numbers, and in that list I create a new variable called num. So num equals random.randint. What this does is it creates random integers, and I want random integers in the range of 1 to 20. So for every single iteration in this loop, it's going to generate a random integer, and that integer will be any number between 1 and 20. So after that, I want to append it to my list. Numbers.append. I like to append the num generated. That's the integer generated. So let me go ahead and print our list just to be sure we have our numbers ready. So I print numbers, and there we go. Yeah, we have our list of numbers right there. So I'm just going to log this up and then we continue. So what we want to do is we want to get a number from the user of our code, any number. So I call that x equals int input. I cast my input as integer. Then I go enter a number. So after that, I want to find out if that number is in that list. So I use a for loop as well. For I in range, the length of the list of random numbers, length of numbers, and I want to know if x is equals to numbers, that's the position, any number in the position I at that iteration. I want to print a match. Print match found. So let's go ahead and run this. And let's see. So let me run this. So my number is 12. Yes, so it found 2 matches in the list, but I can make this better. I can just create a count, and after I get the count I can actually print it out that, oh, I found a count or I did not find a count. So what I should do now is I'm deleting this off, and I'm creating a counter. So I'm starting the counter at 0, and if If the search finds any number that we are looking for, finds X, then we can go ahead and increment count. We can go ahead and increase count. So we do count, simply increment using incrementing operator, count plus equals 1. Now we want to then check if we found any matches, we print the number of matches to the screen. If none, we print nothing to the screen. We print no matches found. So we go if count is greater than 0, is greater than 0. So you print the number of count, print count so found count matches, else print to the screen no matches found, no matches found. So let's go ahead. I believe we are ready now. Let's go ahead and implement our linear search algorithm. So we enter a number, we go with 7 now. So it found just one match, just one match in there. Now let's see if actually no matches found works. Now in the random integers we generated, we don't have 0. So let's try making x 0 the next time we run the code. So let's make that 0 and then no matches found. So our simple search algorithms works. It works right there. So let's try running it again. Another number, let's try 11 this time around and enter. Yeah, so in this time around we found 3 matches. So this is how to create a simple linear search algorithm, and I hope you pick 1 or 2 things and you can go ahead and practice this on your own. Now if you have any comments or concerns, please drop them in the comment box below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.